What's up, YouTube? It's your boy MC Majin, and I'm back. And we are playing Steal a Brain Rot for the first time on my channel. I never thought I'd play it, but we are. We are joined by my friend Teagan. Teagan, say what's up. I don't got schizophrenia. She's really there. So you can hear her mic echoing. Stop! She's trying to steal my brain rots, y'all. Teagan, if you don't say hi, I'm gonna loot your base right now. You think I'm joking? Wait, what's that? Oh, it's mine. 100%. Don't you dare. Did you just... Stop! You turned invisible! Oh my fuck. Stop, Teagan! Swear to God, I'm gonna crash out. Stop! Stop! Yo, this video is not gonna be you bullying me, bro. Anyway, we got that dill, whatever the fuck it's called. We got the
From me.
yeah, she gave them to me because I ain't gonna lie, she legit gave those to me.
Yeah, because you're a loser.
I'm not a loser. You're a loser. Come on, wait. I'm gonna wait for the special brain rots to come out. Quit laughing at me. I know you're laughing at me. That's so mean. Like,
anybody like my rocket launcher?
I'm gonna rebirth.
Oh my god, this brain rot is so good. No!
What?
My Dol is in there.
You mean mine?
No, mine.
You just gave that shit to me. What you mean?
Okay, I'll give it back. I don't want you to rebirth that with that.
I bet I'll give it back. I'll give it back here. Hold on, let me allow friends. Come get that shit back.
Okay.
How did you get in here already? Wait. That was a secret one too. Fuck, I'm cooked.
Rebirth.
I bet I gotta get the necessary things to rebirth first. Let me see.
You didn't have the things to rebirth yet, and I stole your brain rot for nothing.
Yeah, it's pretty much
how
it
it
happened. I need
Hold on, that's just all shoot.
the chimpanzee banana, whatever the fuck it is.
Hold on, yo.
Nah, let me get this one, please, bro. Come on, quit playing. This is one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need this fish cat?
Yeah, I think so.
I know.
I'll give you the lucky block before I
No. Keep it, loser.
You're a loser. What?
Who the hell do you think you are? What the fuck?
It won't let me wait. Does it have to wait? Is it gonna hatch something? Oh, 9 minutes. I'm gonna wait to see what I got before I rebirth.
Okay.
And then I need the banana thing.
Oh, wow. Get the fuck out of there, dude.
No. No.
What do you think you are?
No.
Yeah. Storing it for you. You're gonna need it later.
No, I bet.
I'm not gonna give it to you though.
What? These lies on my name. You see, Teagan's just mad because she still pees the bed.
Yeah. And then, like, I have someone come lick it up.
Where's the banana? I'm taking this
I'm gonna
shit.
steal your free spin, bro.
Nah, you stole him from me 3 times. Stop.
Yeah, but like I can waste my money because I have $1 trillion and you don't.
Go ahead.
I have $1 trillion and you don't.
Yeah. You already know it, bro. You have. Wait.
I got one more
I don't know how
spot.
to check. How much money you got, bro?
I got 2.95 B or billion. How much you got?
$1 trillion.
But what?
0.93 T. Fucking loser.
I'm not a loser. Be quiet. You're a loser. Nah, you ain't finna rage bait me, twin.
Too late.
Wait, yin
I don't
yang
know,
spawns.
like,
Wait, I'm
fucking
gonna
twin.
do this.
Too ugly. Bro.
Oh, yo, I'm taking him too. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, Loki, I need that.
Not really.
Cause I don't know if the video's picking up these farts, bro. What if they are? That shit is goated, bro. Stop! Oh my god! What the fuck, yo?
I'm about to have you watch me sell these. Oh, Giovanni, this one's really good over here, bro.
What? Dude!
Not really.
What the fuck? Okay, yeah, I'm doing this too. I ain't gonna lie. Isn't this the event where
Oh, what the frick? 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 What the frick?
what spawned?
Side out. You're so ugly. I'm gonna steal your free spin, bro.
Nah, it's mine. Let me do it.
I stole it.
No, you didn't.
I know. I was just trying to, like.
I almost got him. Fuck.
I look, you don't want any of those brain rocks that I sold from you. I'm gonna have you watch me sell them. Oh, what's that?
Nah, it's mine. Stop, Teagan.
I don't want it. It's ugly.
You're ugly. Don't diss my boy. Whatever his name is, I can't read that shit. But
Little.
dog.
Here's what you need. Loki need it though. Loki need it.
Nah, stop. Nah, I need that shit. Hold on. Let me get rid of one.
Oh, take it.
Chimpanzini bananini.
God, dummy.
Yeah, I can rebirth now. You want any of my shit? I'm gonna wait like 4 minutes to rebirth. Then I can do the. What do I get if I rebirth?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give you the brain rots that I want. So then I can just get them back.
Yeah.
All right, come in here quick. Take the lucky block, and then take the brain rot god.
Okay. Oh, there's a I don't fucking ballerina cappuccino over there.
Isn't she like mid?
Better than anything you have.
All right, bet. Thank you. I'll come back and get that shit in a second.
Nah, you won't.
Nah, quit playing. All right, let me rebirth.
Sorry.
All right, let me see what I got up here. I got 2 extra spots. All right, give me my shit back. Teagan.
Don't take any of my stuff.
I won't.
Damn, AJ.
What do you need next for a rebirth? Coco
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna put these up here.
Coco Fonto is a brain rot god and there's 10 down the line and there's also a mythic.
Damn it, what am I doing? Yes.
Come take it, hurry up. Fatty. Hurry up.
Hold on. Ah, I need more. You grab it. You buy it. You buy it. You buy it. You buy it.
Coco fanto elefanto.
Oh, where's that brand I gotta add?
That one.
Chihuanini
I like the
picolini.
trade. Burn.
Come on.
I'm coming. Pause.
No, don't destroy my city.
Oh, where's? Oh
This
yeah. Is that a skibidi toilet?
Coco fanto elefanto.
No.
I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but you know. I got 52.24 million now.
So fucking funny. Crazy.
Listen close. Follow my instructions. There is no time for introductions. I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm taking that. I'm taking that shit. I'm taking that shit. Nah, I see it, motherfucker. It's mine. Stop! Teagan! Please, Teagan! Stop! Let me get it. Stop! Teagan! No! No! Teagan!
Okay, you can take it.
Yo, the way I was screaming, bro, I'm dead. I'm so dead, bro.
Crazy. What the?
Stop. Nah, you ain't gonna quit. I know you, bro.
You look so stupid, Gary. Your face.
1 minute and I'm gonna end the video so that I can reveal my lucky block. Dog.
What'd you get?
AJ,
I don't know.
like
It's
it
53
fine.
seconds. Move!
Oh wow.
What'd you get?
That's for hitting me.
See what you got.
All right, bet. 1 second. It has 41 seconds.
What'd you get?
I'm not sure yet.
What'd you get?
Bro, Teagan. Teagan, you're my 13th reason why.
Oh my god, AJ.
25, 24, 23, 22, 21,
Gay.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 10, or
Fuck.
12.
You already know. 5,
6,
4,
5,
3,
4,
2, 1. All right.
AJ, are you just like so excited that I'm playing Fortnite with you?
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me raging the fuck out. And yeah, if you guys like the video, well, I'll do more videos with Teagan.